Hello everybody, this is the second video of the exercise 16.1 and in the previous one video we solved some questions of the exercise 16.1 and the remaining questions we will solve in this video. And in this video we will start from the question number 6. What is the sixth question?
Mommy.
I'll show this question on the screen and you will copy it from there and continue with me. Question number 6. The sum of length, breadth and height of a cuboid. What is the given value? Sum of length, breadth and height, which is equals to 19 centimeter. 19 centi, sorry, yeah, correct. आगे दे रखा है if the length of diagonal is 11 centimeter. Let's suppose this is the equation number first. Length of diagonal is equals to 11 centimeter. This is the diagonal of a cuboid and the formula to calculate the length of a diagonal of a cuboid is equals to under root n square plus b square plus h square, which is 11. Now remove the under root from here. So on squaring in both sides we will get 11 square is 121 and this is the equation number 2. बात समझ में आ गई यहां तक? चलिए अब देखो equation first and second. There are also 3 variables and here are also 3 variables. But this equation is a linear formation and it is a quadratic formation. So first of all, to convert this one into quadratic, we can square in the both sides on squaring. The equation first. What will you get? L plus B plus H whole square is equals to 19 square. Open the bracket. L square plus B square. आप सभी को पता फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? नाइनटीन स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 361. नेक्स्ट स्टेप. अब देखो एल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस एच स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 121 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 2 and 2 is common in this system. So 2 is common, take it out. LB plus BH plus HL is equals to 361. Now transpose this one and we got this one from equation. First write the region also in front of the new step. After it 2 into हमें क्या चाहिए था? टोटल सरफेस एरिया BH plus HL is equals to 361 minus 121. Finally, this is the total surface area of cuboid is equals to 240 centimeter square. So student, this is the answer of our question number 6 and pause the video, note it down and I am checking the video quality. Okay then, now next question number 7. चलो भैया, what is the given question? अब स्क्रीन पे चेक करें. A room whose floor is a square of side 6 meter contains 180 cubic meter of the air. देखो एक रूम है. Question number 7. A room is given whose floor is in the shape of the square और उसका जो साइड है वो कितनी है 6 मीटर और उसका जो वॉल्यूम है वो दे रखा हमें 180 क्यूबिक मीटर। सो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ रूम इज इक्वल्स टू 180 मीटर क्यूब, ये हमें दे रखा है। अब हमें दे रखा है नेक्स्ट थिंग, क्या देखिए नेक्स्ट थिंग है रूम हुज फ्लोर इज इन द स्क्वायर, सो साइड ऑफ द फ्लोर ऑफ स्क्वायरिकल लेंथ ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायरिकल बेस ऑफ द और स्क्वायरिकल फ्लोर ऑफ द रूम इज इक्वल्स टू 6 सेंटीमीटर। तो मैं यहां सिर्फ ये लिख रहा हूं, लेंथ ऑफ स्क्वायरिकल फ्लोर इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ ऑफ साइड बोल देते हैं यहां पे, इज इक्वल्स टू 6 मीटर। बात समझ में आ गई यहां तक? चलिए आगे, फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द रूम। फर्स्ट इज एक ही कंडीशन इसमें, फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द रूम। अब हमें वॉल्यूम ये दे रखा है, तो वॉल्यूम का हमें क्लियरली पता है, लेट लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट इज इक्वल्स टू 180। ये क्यूब तो है नहीं, बिकॉज length and breadth are same, but height is different. So length is 6 meter, breadth is 6, and height we have to calculate, which is equals to 180. क्या मिला? H is equals to transpose the value, and it will goes into the denominator. H is equals to 6 3 18, और ये कितना आएगा? 5 meter. So the height of the रूम इज इक्वल्स टू 5 मीटर। ये अपना हो गया आंसर। आप कॉपी करें और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे बढ़ते हैं हम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। 9th question I will not explain, you will solve yourself, but I will show this 8th and 9th question both on the screen, so easily you can solve. First I am telling you about the 8th question, and question is displayed on the screen and you will check it from here. Find the number of bricks each measuring 22 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 17 centimeter required to construct a wall whose dimensions are 44 meter, 1.5 meter and 85 centimeter. चलिए फिर करते हैं। Question number 8, dimensions of brick of a और इसको अपन लेंथ ये ले लेते हैं, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट इज इक्वल्स टू, लेंथ इज 22 10 17, 22 10 and 17 all are in centimeter. And next I am writing in front of it dimensions of wall. Length capital L, breadth capital B, and height will be capital H. Length is 44, breadth is 1.8, 1.5 sorry, and 85 centimeter. Here most of the dimensions are, most of the values are in centimeter, so convert this one also into centimeter and this one in also centimeter. अब क्या हुआ, इन ब्रिक्स को मिला के एक वॉल बनाई गई है, तो अपन यूं मान लेते एक ब्रिक से तो वॉल बनेगी नहीं। नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स, लेट बी द number of bricks is equals to n। ठीक, अब सभी ब्रिक्स को एक दूसरे के साथ अटैच करते हुए वॉल बनी। इट मीन्स वो जो ब्रिक का जो पूरा कंटेंट है वो सारा का सारा यूज हुआ वॉल बनाने में। इट मीन्स वॉल्यूम को हमें इक्वेट करना, एक टाइप से यूं कहें तो वो सारी ब्रिक्स रिकास्ट होके एक वॉल बनी है। So in this situation we will equate the volumes of both the things. Volume of the total bricks is equals to volume of wall. So the volume of n bricks is equals to volume of wall. Got it? Volume of n bricks into n into length into breadth into height. One brick volume is LBS, and then multiply by n, you will get the volume of n bricks is equals to LBH. These are the dimensions of wall. N into L, 22 times 17, 22 10 17 is equals to 44, 00, 150 into 85. Finally, n is equals to 4400 into 150 into 85 upon 22 into 10 into 70. चलो ये कैंसिल हुआ इससे 17 5s and 2200 time. So the remainings are 200 into 15 into 5. Go 200, 15 and 5. Answer is 15 5 is 75, 2 is 150, 150 00 bricks. So the number of bricks are required to construct this wall is equals to 15,000. Okay, student. Next question you will solve yourself, and I am displaying this question on the board. Okay then. Now the question number 10. Our 10th question is, the volume of a cube is 512 cubic meter. Find its side. Question number 10. Volume of cube is 512. सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग, क्यूब का वॉल्यूम हमें पता है ए क्यूब होता है. ए क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 512. ए इज इक्वल्स टू 512 क्यूब रूट ऑफ 512. ये सिंबल क्यूब रूट का होता है. स्क्वायर रूट का होगा 1/2. देन ए इज इक्वल्स टू 512 इज क्यूब ऑफ 8, 1/3. Cancel by this, and finally value of a is 8. So the length of edge of this cube is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, student. Now the question number 11. 11th question is, find the number of bricks is measuring 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter required to construct a wall 5 meter long, 30 centimeter wide and 3 meter high. So this is the similar to the question number 8. So you can solve easily from there. First of all, you will change all the dimensions and all the values of LBH into the same quantity, like centimeter, or you can change all the values in meter also, and then you will equate the volume of n bricks with the volume of wall, and from here apply all the values of LBH of both the cases, and from here find the value of n. Okay, student. Now the question number 12, and this is the last and final question of the exercise 6.1. Question number 12 is, the dimensions of a cuboid are in the ratio of dimensions is equals to, what is given? 5:3:2. 5:3:2. It means this is length ratio, breadth ratio, height is equals to 5:3:2. And we can consider length. As I told you in the last class, lx is equals to, length is equals to 5x, breadth is equals to 3x, and height is equals to 2x. Next condition, if total surface area of this cuboid is 558 centimeter square. And the next condition which is given, total surface area is equals to 558 centimeter square. After it, what we have to find? Then find the length of each of the cuboid. Means in this case we have to calculate the length, breadth and height. Chaliye, what is the formula of total surface area? Which is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equals to 558. बात समझ में आई यहाँ तक? Divide this by this. L is 5x into 3x, या फिर एक काम करते वैल्यू रख लेते हैं प्लस 3x into 2x plus 2x into 5x is equals to 558. Simplify this one and divide this value by 2. 5 3 is 15x square plus 3 2 just 6x square and 10x square is equals to 2 2 is 4, 7 is and 2 9 is 18. Got it? 15 plus 6 is 21 and 10 कितना आएगा? 39, 31 x square is equals to 279. Implies that x square is equals to 279 upon 31. Then x square is equals to 9 times. Finally, x is equals to plus minus under root 9 and x is equals to plus minus 3. But we got two values of x. One is positive and second is negative. But we will avoid the negative value from here because the dimensions never be negative, always positive. So just consider only the positive value from here and apply or substitute this value of x in these dimensions. Then you will get L is equals to 5 into 3 is equals to 15 centimeter. Breadth is equals to 3 into 3 is equals to 9 centimeter and height is equals to 2 into 3 is equals to 6 centimeter. So it is the